George Weeks. I'm part of the operations here at ESP. I've been in the industry for a little under 30 years. I'm doing disaster and restoration work, residential to commercial, mainly commercial on the equipment side. I do enjoy the equipment. I'm a desiccant guy. I've been to manufacturing plants where they actually build them, and I've always done that, so I've been around desiccants and had to fix them and make them work for quite a long time. The most rewarding part of my job is helping communities get back to where it was originally before anything happened. I've been married for over 28 years. I have 4 kids. They're all a little older. I do have 2 grandkids now. I was born in New York, moved to Colorado right after that. So pretty much I'm a Colorado guy. About 3 years ago, we decided to move to Texas, take a break from Colorado, so now we reside in Texas. I still love Colorado, but price of living and all that's gone up, so we moved out here. What makes me an asset to ESP is my technical background with all the equipment. I've been in the restoration industry for a long time, so I do know a lot of people in it, a lot of contractors. First storm I've been in is Hurricane Katrina. There's no power, no water, no food, going in lines to get, toiletries, even food from the Red Cross. I would say Hurricane Katrina actually really changed the way I look at the industry, and it was a rough time for everybody. Yeah, I did a cyclone cleanup in New Zealand, but part of the problem was the sewage plant was part of the water. So once that happened, they closed everything down. They checked all the dirt, checking it for sampling to see how contaminated it is. But they let us back in, but we had to wear PPE the whole time and get checked in, get checked out. And, you do see a lot of devastation. New Zealand, I was there for a month. So longest I've been gone is probably about 4 months. I'd say being gone, it was probably rougher in the beginning because we weren't used to it. As we got used to it, I would mainly be gone during the summers. So, of course, me being higher up in the company, I would fly my wife and kids out there, so at least I would get to see them. They would get to see, usually after it was pretty cleaned up, so they would get to see new cities and states. But that's always been the rough part, and it doesn't get easier as you get older. Where I see myself with ESP, we're a growing company. We're growing really quick. There's lots of opportunities for everybody here. So I'm happy to be here and looking forward to the future and what I can bring here.